Why do you think my brain is made for?
I left my colored combo at home, y'all, so we're gonna use her. To shine. Add some more. Let me do it. Not really. Makeup by Fati. I gotta get dressed, you guys. Well, what are we?
Okay? Yes. Keep that one. Yes. Keep it.
to do look number 2, which is this vest on with the jeans, like just chill. What? A lot of props?
No, there's a lot of like have it off the shoulder one with the foam. Yeah.
On the ground, you gotta iron it. Alright, over here. So guys, she be sitting on the ground in that one. Am I wearing heels in that? Cause I'm gonna have to put the Jimmy shorts on if I'm sitting on the ground like that. So I can't just be having my legs on. I have a busy life. I don't have a day off. Maybe. So this shit is 10 out of 10. Better than the last one.
We have the cameras getting to studio photography, so I'm gonna send you some flicks.
Huh?
I said he's getting to studio photography. There's a camera.
Who? Hey guys, I just wanted to do a real quick proper outro because this is like my second time trying to do this whole YouTube thing and I'm just not good at it. Okay, I'm sorry. See, I just got home from the shoot, you guys. I'm tired. I'm hangry. I need to go hurry up and turn on the oven and make some food real quick because your girl's starving. But today's shoot was so good, you guys. Like, literally. Your girl looks good. Hold on. Your girl looks good in the pictures. The makeup is good. I did forget my lip stuff, but I improvised and used hers. And it came out good still. I wanted to do a red lip look with the blue shirt. But again, I left my lip stuff here. I was rushing. I really have to work with my time management. But I had a lot of fun, you guys, and yeah, I gotta get some sleep because I got work and school tomorrow. And that's just my life every day. I literally don't get a day off. I literally work 7 days a week, you guys. 2 jobs. And I'm a student, but I graduate next week, thank God. And I just have so many new things that's in store for me, and modeling being one of them. As you guys can see, you're gonna see my journey firsthand, at least see my journey. I'm actually gonna post these videos, like, instead of just keep talking about it, because I have a lot of videos on my phone from vlogging and I never post none of them, but I'm going to start. I just be busy and I don't have a lot of phone storage. But make sure you guys let me know if you like this makeup look better than the one in the last video, if you guys even see that. I did my own makeup and it looks like shit. So let me know if you guys like this look. It's really natural. I don't like to do too much when it comes to my face because less is more. But I painted my nose a little bit. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you like the little behind the scenes shorts, the clips. I'm gonna try to post all that stuff. And, you know, just engage because I want to engage back with you guys. I want to grow with you. I know y'all don't know me, but I don't know y'all either. And I'm trying to create that, you know. But, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next photo shoot vlog. Or maybe I'll just vlog regular. Not too much. I'm lying. I don't even have time for that. I'm sorry. But I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
What do you think my brain is made for?